As I explained in an earlier video, if you want to get a high band in the IELTS speaking test, you need to show that you can use some less common vocabulary, possibly including some less common idioms and less common synonyms and collocations. Let's look at how you can say common sentences in a less common way.
People in my country think that they are very good singers, so they enjoy karaoke. People in my country regard themselves as being talented singers, so they enjoy karaoke. I was very happy when I got my exam results. I was over the moon when I got my exam results. We should try to produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions. We should try to reduce our carbon footprint. Some people in my country are very, very poor. Some people in my country live below the breadline. I live in a rich part of the city. I live in a fairly affluent part of the city. In the end, we arrived in a strange part of town. We ended up in a strange part of town. People in my country are spending less money because of the crisis. People in my country are tightening their belts because of the crisis. In my hometown, the streets are very, very dark at night. In my hometown, the streets are almost pitch black at night. I think his reaction was a little exaggerated. I think his reaction was a little over the top. Although they played well, they lost the match. Even though they played well, they lost the match. In my country, if you are rich, you can do bad things and not get punished. In my country, if you are wealthy, you can get away with murder.
A quick word about idioms. Do not try to show off to the examiner by using an idiom in every single sentence. Idioms should be used appropriately. Think of them like spices in a cooking recipe. If you are not confident about using idioms, it is safer not to use them.